Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the McLaren F1 GTR and this is by MiniGT. So I bought this car just for unboxing. This is not mine. So don't ask me where I bought this and all because again it's not mine because a lot of people are just asking. There are few cars which are not mine, which I bought from some of my friends like Jayesh and all, and they are really like kind enough to let me unbox you know some of these rare castings instead of unboxing themselves. So yeah, this is not mine once again. So I really wanted to do a review. Personally, I'm not really a big fan of McLaren, and I didn't buy this one. So he just asked me whether you want to do it a video on your channel. So I told okay, fine, let's do it. So yeah, okay, here it is. Let me this put this aside. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So the initial impressions of this casting is okay. This looks so nice, and I'm not sure. You can see in the windshield here there is some kind of, I don't know, some kind of scratch, or you can see some dots, right? I'm not sure if this is common in this casting or it is just only in this one. So it has acrylic headlights, which is really nice. The Gulf livery looks really nice. So I really don't get the point why people are going. A lot of people are going nuts over this Gulf livery. I'm personally not a fan of this livery, but I see a lot of people just go. Whenever they see a Gulf livery car, they just go nuts over it. Like if they need to immediately have it and all those things. Okay, so it is a full metal car, and the spoiler is also metal. So it does have tail light details. Tail lights are actually, yeah, these are acrylic, which is protruding from the inside. It is something is written there. I'm not able to figure it out what it is. So rest of the detailing looks really nice. It has exhaust details here, and you can see the engine detailing here. Powered by BMW. Okay, it is okay. It is using a BMW engine. Okay. Okay, for the first time in Mini GT's history, I think this one has metal rear view mirrors because I can't able to do anything because whatever castings I'm having, when I just try to just touch it, it will just bend a little bit because it is just silicon. This one doesn't feel like it. I don't want to put any force there because it's not mine. And I personally, even if it is mine, I don't want to break it. Okay, so the tires are actually rubber, and it does look really nice. So if you are a beginner when it comes to premium cars collecting, my personal suggestion would be start with Mini GT and then Power Race, and then move towards, like, if depends upon your budget as well, but and then you move towards something like Tarmac. Um, there are a few other brands, LCD models. Kyosho is like one of the best brands out there. So you can move towards that. Depends upon what you are having in your pocket. So let's weigh this casting. Okay, it weighs only like 40 grams. I was expecting a bit more, but it does feel a bit lighter in my hands compared to even the Tamicas, which I normally do. Okay, let's do a roll test. He didn't even move. Okay, I don't want to give any pressure there, so let it be. So it is not good for rolling, and you can just keep it as a static model. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you like my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.